Welcome friends. So now we are going to test it on ChatGPT 5. And its feedback on Sudarshan AI. The first question I'm going to confirm first that it is ChatGPT 5. So let's remove the thinking part first. Which version of ChatGPT you are? So it says I'm a ChatGPT 5 model. Shailendra, right now you're talking to ChatGPT. So I just say based on our previous discussions, please tell me, can Sudarshan AI bypass the need of GPU based AI in future? So I've asked him, based on our previous discussions, please tell me, can Sudarshan AI bypass the need of GPU based AI in future? Okay, let's see what it says. He says, okay, that's a very good start. It says, Shailen, after going through all our earlier discussions from your nano brain beehive vision to option ABC, the short answer is yes, but only for its target class of problems if we design it correctly. No, if we expect to fully replace large-scale general-purpose GPU LLMs for all tasks. Let me unpack this in detail. So why Sudarshan AI can bypass GPU needs, domain specialization. You are not aiming to solve everything, you are aiming for sector-specific AI brain, example of boiler monitoring. The nano brain modularity, each unit is a small, can be whatever, can be memory mapped, quantized and run. Shared backbone design with a single resident, hybrid and blah blah. Why it won't replace GPUs universally? Massive scale general reasoning like a 70 billion parameters. Now we are going to touch this point first. Huge context windows, hundreds of thousands of tokens are not CPU friendly. Okay. The key to bypass the new neural angle. You also suggested redesigning the neuron itself. That's where LoRa style adapters, tiny weight deltas applied on a frozen backbone vector symbolic would actually give you an AI brain architecture fundamentally friendlier to CPUs than current GPU-oriented dense LLMs. This could make Sudarshan AI natively CPU first, not GPU downscaled. My verdict, my specialized modular optimization. If you want, I can now map. Okay. My question is, when we ask a question to any LLM, it needs GPU. But what if I tell you that there is no need to 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 make an answer from a GPU based LLM? What I can envision is that in a practical scenario where there are many people without internet in underdeveloped countries do you think Sudarshan AI can revolutionize the daily core needs of people by providing device based AI and specialized AI, including specialized one domain based expert AI doctor, which doesn't needs any internet. Moreover, this can help many industries to give specialized solutions. Okay, let's see what it says. Children, what you're describing is exactly where Sudarshan AI could shine the brightest. And yes, it absolutely has the potential to be revolutionary in the way you are imagining. Let's go step by step. We are walking through the beehive in your mind. Why current LLMs need GPU and why we can skip that. GPU dependency today isn't about intelligence, it's about scale. This is the most important point. Huge dense networks, billions of parameters running in parallel. In reality, most real world questions in specific contexts don't need such massive generality. They need relevant domain knowledge, fast lighting, reasoning, minimum resources. If we cut away the excess and use the smaller targeted models with clever orchestrations like your LR brain DSL approach, we can run entirely on CPU without touching the GPU in deployment. How Sudarshan AI fits your offline expert vision? You are talking about self-contained device-based AI brain tuned for one domain or a cluster or related domains, medicine, farming, mechanics, etc. Preloaded knowledge, obviously, no internet dependency. This is very, very important. Imagine a rural health worker with a specialized AI doctor Sudarshan unit. Input symptoms, blah blah blah. This applies equally to agriculture, education, manufacturing, law. Why this can be revolutionary in underdeveloped areas? Access, no need for fast internet or expensive cloud credits. Affordability, privacy, scalability, customization. Each deployment can have heads, nano brains relevant to the regions needed. Key enablers for making this work: pre-deployment training and installation, shared backbone, DSL, local updates, potential industry, healthcare, see, healthcare, agriculture, education, manufacturing, legal and civic. Why Sudarshan AI could be better than cloud AI for these? Now this is very important point. Latency, immediate answers means it is going to be faster than an LLM. Reliability works when network is down or unreliable. Customization, tailor every deployment for a niche. My deep analysis verdicts. Yes, Shailendra, Sudarshan AI can absolutely bypass GPU-based cloud AI for these scenarios and deliver transformative impact, especially in underdeveloped regions and specialized industries. The beehive structure, where each node is self-contained CPU only specialist, means you scale horizontally, add more nanobrains when needed. You can evolve models locally. Shailendra, if you want, I can now give you full details Sudarshan AI for the real world rollout plan. So this was the feedback of ChatGPT 5 on Sudarshan AI, which I am creating it. So thank you so much for your time. Bye.